Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the compass on the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the GPS data button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and here you can find the compass. As you can see at the top, you can see the waypoint that you can edit if you tap on it. Then you can check out the speed here, as well as the altitude. Then the distance is also displayed, and basically that's it. Here if you tap on this button down below in the right side, you can check out the current track, and that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.